Hello friends, today our topic is smoke testing. Smoke testing is performed to check whether the basic and critical functionality of an application is working fine in order to carry out the extensive testing. This process of testing is also known as day zero. It is time-saving process in order to start exhaustive testing. We perform smoke testing to ensure that the product is stable. This testing type is performed for the initial few builds. It does not require special test cases. Just we just pick up some test cases from the existing test case and perform the testing. So smoke testing is basically used to validate whether the build is released by the developer is working fine or not. So the basic and critical functionality of the application is working fine on releasing the new build by the development team so that we can start executing the exhaustive testing. And the exhaustive testing is integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Now coming to the advantage of smoke testing, it is a time saving process. In the early stage, we can find the bugs. It will help to recover the quality of the system, which decreases the risk. It is easy testing to perform because it saves our effort and time. So these are a few advantages of the smoke testing.